Once upon a time, a sparkle with in forest. She was happy. She was healthy. She was alive. What today? Today she stands. Today she stands before us, tired, covered with waste. We humans throw without thinking. Plastic, paper, plastic, food packets, bottles, boxes, things which we use for of just a few minutes, but which stay on earth for hundreds of years. Ladies and gentlemen, parents, teachers and guests, this is our earth, the same earth that one desert with clear skies, fertile fields and ocean full of life. But today she carries a weight she never asked for. Our waste, our carelessness, our convenience, first choices. Dear audience, today our tiny environmental warriors from the primary section bring you a special fashion runway. Title is Treasure, from trash to treasure. What the world saws waste, the soils wonder. Through this tour, they will remind us that every piece of waste can be reused, recycled or reduced. Let us begin. Green tree that offered shade, oxygen, a home, paper is one of the easiest things to recycle. Paper takes only a few weeks to decompose if we let it go back to nature responsibly. Let us remember that every page saved is early saved. Let's fold it, recycle it and keep our earth green, because every sheet for picnic waste to fashion with taste. Next we have a model dressed in plastic cups and spoons. Here come the symbols of a fast life, which are convenient for us but devastating for our earth. Plastic takes more than 400 years to break down. Imagine one plastic spoon used today will still be on earth when none of us are here. There's hope. We redeem ourselves by refusing single-use plastic, reuse what we have and making mindful choices that protect our planet. Little changes from us can save our big earth. Let's rethink. Say no to disposable cutlery. And now our models, we wrap them something we see everywhere. Plastic bags we like to carry, easy to use but extremely harmful. These bags show chemicals clog drains in our soil for centuries. They take them home every day in our soil. If we recycle them properly, they can turn into tiles, benches and even road material. Better still, we can avoid them completely and switch to cloth bags. It is time to break this habit of convenience. One cloth bag can reduce thousands of plastic bags in a single year.
Oh, look at that shot. At first glance, aluminum foil glitters like silver, but behind that hides a story that is anything but pretty. Aluminum foil is used for just a few minutes to wrap food or leftovers or cover a dish.
And when we recycle aluminium, it turns into something new without harming nature. So as these shiny stars walk the runway, let it remind us the earth doesn't need sparkle in the trash. It needs responsible hands and people who choose to recycle and reuse. My classmates stand before you today wearing waste, not because they like it, because they want you to see it. If we want a cleaner village, a cleaner Goa, a cleaner world, this is where it begins.
Let us reduce what we use, reuse what we can, recycle what we must. Let us keep our shiny white green clean and beautiful.